Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you why there is no sound output from my laptop. See here, currently I'm playing a YouTube video, one of my YouTube video, and this is not giving any sound. Even I'll be increasing the sound here. See here, 100%. I'll be right clicking on this or just clicking on this so that I'll get this settings. Click on the settings. Under system, under sound, output, see here, system sound output, input and advanced. So yeah, here my problem is with the output. Okay, output, and it has been set to headset. See here, where with the Bluetooth I connected to DJI mic, and maybe by mistake I have only changed this setting to this radio button to just check the quality. That's the reason. When I click on the speakers
and find out the device. Yeah, see here, this is the console
yeah, see,
which my Gmail is already signed in here. So
the
now
problem with here is the headset. So you need to go to simply click on your Windows logo, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on sound, then go to output and choose speakers in the sense your default or this laptop speakers, and that's it. You can check on all sound devices and see here the default device should be speakers or internal speakers. Okay, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.